Hyper-V is not officially supported on Windows 11 Home. It's a feature exclusive to Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise and Education editions. However, there's a workaround that enables the Hyper-V platform on Windows 11 Home using some command line scripting. While this method is unofficial and not guaranteed to work on all systems. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we will walk you through how to install Hyper-V on Windows 11 in Home Edition. Hyper-V is commonly used for testing, development, server management, and creating virtualized environments, making it a powerful tool for developers and IT professionals. Since Hyper-V requires hardware virtualization to be enabled in the BIOS, it is essential that your PC supports virtualization. Check in BIOS or UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD V. Ensure that you are logged in using an administrator account. 4 GB of RAM is required, 8 GB or more is recommended. A 64-bit processor with second-level address translation. Before proceeding with the next steps, create a system restore point. This will allow you to revert your computer to its current state in case something goes wrong during the process. Open Run menu, type fwiz.cpl and press Enter. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. Check if the Hyper-V feature is available. It won't be as it is not officially supported in the Windows 11 Home. Close the Windows Features window. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the following text into it. Click File from the menu bar in the top of Notepad, then click Save As. Change the file name to hyperv.batch. Change the Save As type option to All Files. Now click on Save. Close the Notepad instance. Right-click the Start menu, then choose Terminal Admin to launch Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Type the command cd OneDrive/documents and press Enter. This is where the .batch file is stored. Type ls and press Enter to list the files and verify the batch file is present. Run the hyperv.batch file. This will take some time, but it will install all the features required for Hyper-V. Let's wait for the process to complete. The command completed successfully. Type the command fwiz.cpl and press Enter. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Check again if the Hyper-V feature is available. Confirm that it is now available but not yet enabled. Now let's enable Hyper-V feature in Windows 11 Home Edition. Check the box next to Hyper-V. Expand the Hyper-V and ensure that the checkboxes for Hyper-V Management Tools and Hyper-V Platform are checked. Click OK and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is complete, click Restart Now to restart your Windows 11 computer and enable the Hyper-V feature. Open the Start menu, type Hyper-V Manager and click on it to open the Hyper-V Manager console. From the Hyper-V Manager console, you can now start creating and managing your virtual machines. We have successfully enabled the Hyper-V feature in Windows 11 using a batch file. That's all for this video on how to install Hyper-V on a Windows 11 Home Edition computer. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Hyper-V and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.